Okay, Habib. So I wanted to show you what the task will be. I prepared this email so I could kind of guide you through what I need. But the first task is first to update this website. The guide page, we need to link all the articles to these posts, but these posts are from another page because I copied this page. So you need to select these banners and then go in here. Hey, can you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you.
Oh, cool. Okay, hey Habib.
Yes.
Good. Okay, look, I'm about to send you email. Okay.
Okay.
Email has all information, and then I want to show you. This is going to be very quick, so you have time to review and work on your own. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so for good job here, this website, I saw you uploaded all articles. That is good. Good. I think we have to fix a couple of things, but I will show you later. What I did is I added a page, and I need you to go through it and change these because these pages from another website. So I just copied and pasted the code, but you need to go in here and add all these because I have already provided for you. So check email because I just sent all information and you can review in a second. But okay, first task is to go in here to this guide page and link all the articles from the website, and also change all these photos to the correct banners. It's very simple. I'm doing here for you, so you don't have to do, but when you get into other tasks, you will need to do, okay? Oh, and maybe
But
finish.
one thing, please. Say me. Who is banner I set where? On which position? How can I understand?
Position doesn't matter as long as you link. So look at my screen.
Yes.
I just type in article because you already created article. So I had to set up the torpedo. If you have questions or if you don't know, just do your best, okay? It is okay if I will review, but most articles, if you look at email, I shared with you. Give me one moment, please.
Okay. No problem. If I'm feeling problem, then I obviously ask you what to do or how to do. No problem, because you
Okay.
always connected with me.
Yes. Of course, I will be here. But look, all you do is you go on guide page and you link articles and replace all pictures with pictures we have. Use all the pictures for the banner. I will show you in another example, but use all the pictures you see. And if we need to add more, I will add more. But don't worry about it being perfect. And then just link article because most articles are already here. So if you go, excuse me, if you go here, it'll already link it. It's just a matter of adjusting. I don't know what
Okay.
this.
Just you need to link up the text, right? The heading.
Yeah, and
Yes.
but also text sites. Okay, we need to make sure that it looks like textbooks.org because I create in textbooks but separate. So if you go to tutorials here, this is what it looks like. You made these long time ago, remember?
Okay. I understood. No problem. I'll
Okay,
try.
so just use this example, but it needs to look like this. Okay?
Okay.
And so in the link I sent you, you have all resources. So let me go over this. You have all the resources. So you have content, which is articles, all articles. Okay?
Okay.
And then you have logos. So and logos are, look at the name. So this says site icon. This is this image here. And then the other are there. So just so you know if you need them, but if you don't, it's okay. And then there's other bits. Okay? And then first task is just finish this. Save draft. I will let you finish, okay? And then second task is this home page needs to look like this a little bit more. Red, black, you know. Keep design. Design is perfect. Perfect design. 1, 2, 3. Perfect design. Just black background and red line a little bit with these text, just so look more, a little bit more rock, you know.
Okay. Okay.
And that is it for first task. Okay, and first task I sent to you here. So if you look here, the first task I sent, just update the guide page and the home page. Here is all content. Okay,
Yes. Okay.
and then here is similar website. So you see, okay,
Okay.
and boom, first task done. Okay, just finish that, and then second task is simpler, but is more work. Okay, so you will go to sparkshields.com. Do not worry about warning, just accept. I just need to fix SSL. But I accidentally deleted this old I accidentally deleted this old website, and so I need you to recreate, but I will help you. So what we do is we go to Wayback Machine, and we remember. You remember this website?
Yes.
Okay. So
Okay. Okay.
actually server delete. So we need to recreate it. Okay.
Okay.
So I send you the link. In the link, I send all these old snapshots of website, okay? And then I also sent to you the all website content. So you just need to recreate this guide page similar to the one we were working on. I will show you what that. So you have all content for Spark Shields now. Content, images, logos, and helmet icons, okay? So what we do here, look, we go home,
Yes. Then
we go to customize.
customize.
I want to show you because you have access to all of this now. So we go to customize, and then you have site identity. We go to
Yes.
select site
Yes.
identity. Okay, so now that you have all content, you just go to website spec sheets. You go, okay, hold on. We go to logos, site icon. Boom. Okay, so that's just start. Okay, select, skip, publish. Okay, this website is new, so it's more work. And then we do the Premiere welding gear guide. You will have to do this. You will have to go to the website here, probably from the
No problem.
snapshot.
I'll do it.
Okay, but
Okay.
okay, so perfect. And all content is here. This is something I need to show you. Is you go to the website and you have all images. So everything you need. You have logos. You can use logos. You can use the content is here. See, all content is there. And the only article that we don't have is projects. I believe. Projects here. This I do not have the article, so you will have to copy directly from this snapshot, which is the first here.
Yes.
I will show you, but I give you access details, content logo. I think I repeat this accidentally. Oops, copy paste. But first it's here, and then this is all content. And this website, you can go here. If this is no good, so this is no good for you to review. Just go to this similar website, which is how we started. Remember? All right, let me show you. Is it link first then? Or one second, I'll show you. Because This snapshot of the website,
Yes.
this is Google source.
Travel.
Okay, here it is, .net. It's just, this snapshot is just this website, this one here that you have me create. So if
You want like this one?
I do not like this one. I prefer this one here or the other one I sent to you.
It's also good. This one.
I included in the email. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
but be creative because you have all the content. So you have everything. So you have, if you go here, optimize images, you have all images to create. Like here's the banners or the articles. Remember, you will have to create a similar page like this. So, this one, you will create similar page like this, and then you can use these banners. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And then also use these banners because you can use these throughout the website, make it look good. And use these logos. And then in the articles, if you can, try to use the appropriate images. But if you cannot, do not worry, I will review, okay? Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, I am hearing you.
Okay. I send all information in the email, so you have all information. Just remember to use the content because the content is good. Look, so this image, content is all good. You just need to use to recreate, okay?
Okay.
Cool. Information is there. All information is there. There is no rush. You can work all week or a few days. You just let me know, okay?
Okay. Okay.
And then
I will try to finish it as fast as possible.
okay, that's fine. You know, you do your best because Spark Shields is gonna take longer.
Yes.
Because you need to